In this Analyzer tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the trimming feature in Analyzer's new job creation dialog. Here, when we use the term trimming, we're referring to changing the in and out points for imported media when creating a new job in Analyzer. This feature is useful if you only want to use a portion of a given video, and you can use this with videos, image sequences, or captured take XML files. There's also the ability to trim a video in the capture feature in Analyzer. The primary difference is that trimming from the new job dialog is faster and simpler, but you have to know your desired in and out points going in. If you need to check out your video first to figure out where to cut it, then you should use trimming in the capture feature, which will be detailed elsewhere. So I have Analyzer open with the new job dialog and have imported a video that I want to create a new job with. Now if you look down at the third portion of the General tab, you'll see the Trim Job Length section. You have the option to display your values in terms of standard time, which represents how long a video is in real time, starting from 0. Frames, which is simply the number of frames on the job, also starting at 0, and timecode. If your video has timecode embedded into it, it will be reflected here. You can see that my video starts at 12 hours, 1 minute, etc. instead of 0. For our purposes, I'm going to be using frames. Our video is 697 frames long, and you can see that represented here in the original section on the right. Performance only really starts going at frame 300 and ends at frame 500, so we don't really need or want all of those extraneous frames at the beginning and end of our job since they don't matter. On the left side, where it says trim, I'm going to enter the new desired values for the start and end of my job. We'll start with frame 300 and end with frame 500. You can see that the duration has been updated and you can compare it with the original. And that's it. I'll hit create and Analyzer will generate a new job with those specific in and out points. Note that no changes are actually being made to your imported media. As Analyzer extracts its image sequence for the job, it's simply generating the specific number of images as determined by the values you entered. In the timeline, you'll see here that the job is from 0 to 200, leaving out the trimmed sections on the ends. From here, it's no different from any other job in Analyzer, and you can start tracking.